Hi everyone, James Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited to be baking another cake. Yes, this is another episode of Domestic Goddess. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, now I saw this in my comment section and I am intrigued. I'm also a little disgusted, but you know what? We are going to be doing some experimenting today on Domestic Goddess. That's right, call me Domestic Scientific Goddess because I heard that you can do this. It sounds dark-sided, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to bake a Betty Crocker cake. That's not the dark-sided part, although it is devil's food, so it's a little dark-sided. No, I'm actually going to be substituting my oil with mayonnaise. Now, when I heard this, I'm not going to lie, I was a little grossed out because, well, mayonnaise is gross. But I heard you could use this as a substitute for a cake, so I thought, why not try that? I've never tried it before, and I wonder if I can taste it. So we're going to do that today. First things first, I'm going to get everything opened up so we can just start cooking this cake. Yes, so I'll be right back. All right, everything is open, so let's just start making our cake. Now, I'm doing my old faithful, my girl, Betty Crocker. This is the one I grew up making all the time. When I get home from school, you make you a Betty Crocker cake. It's 3 ingredients, and you are good to go. Cake is happening. None of that extra stuff that like Duncan Hines or any of those great value brands be asking. So that is all in the bowl. Now let's just crack the eggs in there. And yes, I will crack the eggs into a separate bowl this time, even though I have a strong feeling I will not get a stillborn. And if I do, I mean, look at that. You get action on this channel. Who says it's predictable? Here we go. That. Bam. All right. My God, I feel like a celebrity chef already. Just dump those in. Here we go. Moment of truth. It's time to put the mayonnaise in there. So it says I need a ½ cup of vegetable oil, which I'm substituting with the mayonnaise. So we're going to do a ½ cup of mayonnaise. Let's see how this goes. Ew. 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 One more should do it. Ew. Maybe a little more. And that should fill out the cup. It's all jiggly. If it weren't for the smell, it would actually look like pudding. I made that mistake a couple of times when I was at parties where I thought it was pudding and ended up being a big old thing of like mayonnaise salad. Okay, it's in there. Let's just make sure we get all of it. Not a drop wasted. Okay. Ew. All right. We can do this. Let's mix it. It's all in the bowl, just having fun with his friends, you know, day at the pool. Beat vigorously by hand. Mix cake. Water, oil. Oh, I didn't put the water in. Oh, before I ruin everything, I have to use water. I'm going to substitute that with almond breeze, with like, you know, almond milk. So I'm going to use 1 1/4 cups of water, but I'm doing almond milk instead because I feel like it. And I don't want to waste bottled water. And I'm going to use this up. Here we go. So this is going to be the one. It's like we're doing science. Okay. This is the 1/4. Mix all that together on medium speed or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. We're just going to do medium speed. Here we go. Beat it vigorously. That means kick out of it. Here we go. Medium speed. I mean, it's not there anymore, so that's good. Well, I can still see some clumps of it. Let's really just beat the crap out of it. Like it owes us lunch money. Just beat the crap out of it. I can't smell the mayonnaise, so that's new. All right, we are back. Now it's time to pan this. So we're going to spray our pans. 1, 2. All right, now let's put this in the pan. Now I saw in the comment section y'all were saying how this is really, really good to use for chocolate cakes. So I made sure to get a chocolate cake so I could try it out. And according to everyone in the comment section and some blog posts I read, you can't even taste it at the end. So we're gonna see about that. I still don't trust it, but you know what? Y'all have proven in the comment section in the past that you know far more than me when it comes to cooking. So I'm not, You know, I could be wrong. I don't mind being wrong. Beautiful. Well, it certainly doesn't, you know, it's not quite as clumpy as it is with oil, I noticed. Oil, it's really, really slick. This is like nice and goopy. So far, so good. I kind of want to try it, but I know I shouldn't. I know it's like bad for you to try it. Like instant cake mix, you're not supposed to eat it. Okay, got my scale. Let's see if it's right. 1 pound and 8.6 ounces. Okay, so 1 pound, 8.6. How much is this one? Oh, they're about the same. I actually did it really good this time. I don't have to add or subtract anything. I love it when I don't have to do math because it's literally the thing I fear the most in this world. But I will still do this just to make sure I don't get that same situation I did when the cake was like lopsided. So it's gonna let them level like that. That is the industry standard on how to like get a cake to not get all, you know, lopsided. All right, now I just gotta put these in the oven, I guess, for like 30 minutes, and then we're good to go. What does the box say? Is it 30? 25 to 30 minutes. Let's do 30, why not? We're gonna do 30 minutes, yes. Okay. 1, high puff. 2. Okay. Not my eyebrows have been seared off from the oven's heat. How are you guys doing? I'm doing fine. Now, I have to say, when I was researching this, some of the things I found were like really, really interesting. Apparently, mayonnaise can be used for a lot of things that may seem unconventional when it comes to cooking. I never knew because it sounds disgusting, so I could never really get past that part. Because, you know, there's a burger on this. I don't want to put that in my cakes. Although when you really break it down, cooking like vegetable oil has a stir fry on it, and that doesn't go in cake either. So maybe I shouldn't go by that logic. But that's the way I operate. Also, I love that how one person explained, like, you don't understand. When you use it in chocolate cake, this is their whole blog post. They're like, it is so amazing and moist. And the very top comment on it was like, not everything needs mayonnaise. Well, now I have to wait 30 minutes, so I'll be right back. Welcome back, everyone. The cakes are all dried. Now it's time to put them on here so we can decorate them. All right, here we go. So I haven't ever used this before. So let's see, because I noticed the oil, one thing I will say about it is that it pops out of the pan really easily. Whereas this one, it seems like it might be a bit more work. It is really in there. How am I supposed to get it out? Oh God, we lost some of it. All right, well, here's what we're gonna do. Take that little piece and bloop right there. All right, that's our first layer. Now, time to frost it. So, pink frosting. Yes, I know, very on brand. So that's one thing I noticed is that the cake was a little hard to remove this time around. Or maybe I'm just bad at it. That could also be the case. Frost the cake. Yeah, I saw this gigantic pink frosting. I was like, I have to have it. Here we go. All right. Frosting the cake. So far, so good. Like, it's not pulling up or anything, so that's a good thing. Now all we have to really worry about is the taste. So I'm gonna frost this and then get the other one out and put it on top, and I'll be right back. All right, we are back. Now I have it all frosted in one nice layer. I went through a whole thing of frosting, so hopefully it's nice and thick in the middle. Now it's time to remove this. Oh wow, this one removed with no problem at all. All right, I'm gonna place it down like that. Let's frost it. This is probably the last time I substitute an ingredient for mayonnaise ever again. Getting it out of the pan was a notable chore. On the bright side, this frosting is really pretty. So there's always that. Yes! Pink! I'm so happy right now. Yes. Okay, well, that happened. It's starting to break apart a little bit. So we're just gonna, like, you know, act like we're sweeping it under the rug. Yes. Like when you lazy clean your house, you just put everything underneath the rug. That way no one notices. Okay, sweep it under the rug. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's gonna be beautiful, and you're gonna eat it. One thing I've learned from cake decorating is that there is no wrong way to make a cake. Or at least, if someone tells you there's a wrong way, you just don't listen. I find that is the best logic to approach this with. And if you make a mistake, act like it was intentional. Like this is an intentionally not leveled cake. Anything that pops up, we're just gonna cover with sprinkles. Like I said, If anything should go wrong, just sweep it under the rug with something else. If the cake starts to fall apart, just add more frosting because everyone loves frosting. Oh God, oh God, oh God. It's turning into a Laura Brown cake already. Now I'm going to finish frosting this and add some sprinkles on top, and I'll be right back with the taste test. Welcome back. This is the final result. And well, she may not be that great looking. She is pink. Yes. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do this mayonnaise thing again because I don't really know how I feel about it. But we're going to slice into this and we are going to see how it tastes. Now, if I taste something that resembles a, like a tuna fish sandwich or something, I'm going to be so mad. Here we go. If I taste this mayo, it's over for all of you. Okay. All right. Let's see how this is going to taste. Okay. Okay. It's actually not bad. I have to say it tastes fairly regular. Like, it tastes like a cake. I definitely can say the texture is different. Like, it's softer. It's a lot softer than it usually is when I make it. Usually it's more dense. This is like really flaky and soft. So like, I have to say, like, it's not a bad substitute. I mean, I may have to work on getting it out of the pan and like the mechanics of doing that now. Because like I'm used to like grease just like plopping it down like a brick. But this is actually kind of nice. Try them again. Yeah, maybe you guys are right. I can't taste the mayo. Like you can't taste it whatsoever. Because when you break it down, mayonnaise really is just like, eggs and oils all whipped together. So maybe that's kind of a base ingredient for a cake and it's always made sense all along and I couldn't get past the traditional uses for mayonnaise. Maybe. Anyways, I've learned nothing, but this was fun. I probably won't do it again, but I have to say it's not bad. It actually tastes pretty good. I am satisfied with this. Now, this has been Domestic Goddess. Oh my gosh. Look at us. We're trying new things in this channel. I went out of my comfort zone and tried something I've never done before. And I'm smarter now because of it. In a few more bites, I'll be a few more dress sizes as well. Oh my gosh. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and watch my 3 days at DragCon 1, 2, and 3, or see my last episode of Domestic Goddess. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll melt all your lipsticks. So click it.